Okay, just waiting to go live. Sometimes it has lagged, so like to just double check that we are live and perfect. So this is Wael with Blockchain Academics. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for daily cryptocurrency news and other opportunities from a wide range of things, from crypto trades to scams, ICO reviews, coin reviews, and much more. I like to start at CoinMarketCap. The market cap in the last few days has risen. We were at $196 billion and now we're at 202. We've been stagnant above 200 for the last week. Dominance is around the same thing. Bitcoin's doing well. XRP is something I'm going to touch on. It's up about 40% in the last few days. So if you have some XRP, maybe it's a great time to take some profits. Yesterday, an exchange got hacked for $60 million. If you look, it says hackers got into the hot wallets and they lost about 2.2 billion yen of assets from the company and 4.5 billion yen from users. So the users on that exchange lost twice the amount as the exchange did. That's why I highly recommend getting your cryptocurrencies onto a hardware wallet. That's either the BitFi. You can go to bitfi.info and you can check that out. It's the unhackable wallet and John McAfee is endorsing it. You can get a Tracer, you can get a Ledger. Do not keep your cryptocurrency on exchanges. It's super risky and there's no point unless you have an open order in and you just sent it that day. It just sucks because I can guarantee that these guys who lost their money, they're going to have a super hard time getting it back, especially since the exchange lost all their funds as well. I've lost money on exchanges, CoinsMarketCap, BitGrail, and other shady exchanges, and I'm never going to see that Bitcoin back. I'd be lucky to see that Bitcoin back. So for users who lost, I feel sorry for you. I feel that I've lost a bunch on exchanges, but I learned. So take this as a lesson. If you're going to keep cryptocurrency on an exchange, there's a slim chance that you will lose it, and it happens a lot. So it's not like random or unlucky. It's something that happens, and you just have to be one step ahead of these hackers, and that's having it secure on your own wallet, not onto an exchange, not on somewhere else where somebody can just hack all the funds, because it's a shitty situation. Yesterday I touched on an article that came out and it stated that Coinbase, its volume, 20% of the volume is actually treated by Coinbase itself. I said some shade again, I threw some shade against Coinbase saying that they can see the orders, they can see the stop losses, they can see the buys, sells, so it's not cool, it's not fair for them to actually be trading 20% of the volume because that's a lot. 1/5 of it, they can definitely manipulate it. They came out saying that was misrepresented. That's not actually what they do. They don't trade they don't do I'm just screwing that up. Trading and proprietary trading. Don't know why I screwed that up so many times. They don't do that, and what they meant to say is that they place orders for consumers, so they're not actually trading themselves. They're not able to trade themselves or taking advantage of that side of the market, either buying or selling. If they know which, maybe the order book is kind of stacked on one side, they're not pushing prices. So that's good to hear from Coinbase. Like, they're doing so good. They're pushing in so many different worldwide with regulatory boards, SEC. So Coinbase, even though a lot of people hate them, they're doing good for the crypto community. They're doing good for the ecosystem. They're unlocking a bunch of funds for the market cap, letting accredited investors step in, claiming their assets as securities and whatnot. So it's good to know that Coinbase is not trading 20% on their own exchange, because that's pretty shady. HTC Exodus. This is the first cryptocurrency decentralized phone to come out. So if you're thinking of getting one, I'm probably going to get one and do a review of it, check it out, see how it differs, probably load some cryptocurrency on it and see what kind of phone it is. A lot of people are wondering how they're going to secure their cryptocurrency, because with the phone you have so many different connections, that be it Wi-Fi or just connecting to your cell towers like LTE or 3G. On top of that, you have so many apps requiring third-party apps requiring access to your phone, contacts, pictures, and photos. So this phone is going to be targeted for basically thefts or hacks. And are you going to place your cryptocurrency or trust into a phone that doesn't keep its crypto funds in a cold storage? Somebody said that it's kind of like keeping your money under the mattress, but using this phone is kind of keeping your cash on top of the mattress. You have it with you everywhere you go. You're connecting to unknown Wi-Fi's, maybe at Starbucks or any coffee shop, and if somebody sees that you have one, you could be a target. So what do you think about this phone? Are you gonna buy one? Are you gonna have it? I'm just curious to see what the consumers think, what other people think of the HTC Exodus. Personally, Exodus is a great wallet, web wallet, or a downloadable desktop wallet, but can it perform as a phone? Can it do all the necessary tasks as a phone? Is this phone going to be slow? So I'm going to compare it with the iPhone because I have an iPhone, and I'm going to see, what differs. Hopefully I can get one before the public. I'm going to try my best. I'm going to do an unboxing for it as well. It's super cool. It looks super cool. I don't know if that's what it looks like, but I'm definitely going to get one. This just proves that this is why we need Bitcoin, or whether it's for transfers, remittances, or just anything. Look at this. Bank of America charges $45 for a transfer, and with Bitcoin it's 75 cents for a transfer of $90,000. That's almost 6,000 times more than it would cost to send with the bank. Then take in, it takes a few days to send this wire. It could take 1 to 5 days. With crypto, it'll probably get in confirmed, or it'll get into your blockchain, into your wallet within a minute, a couple minutes, and then confirmation. 3 confirmations can take 15, 30 minutes depending on how quick the network is. We saw that it was pretty expensive to send with Bitcoin, then Segway got introduced, and now it's fairly cheap to use Bitcoin. So why use a bank when you could use Bitcoin? And then take this in. This is what happened to me. I sent a wire for about $2,000, and I sent it from Canada to US. So I had to pay the fees to convert the money, which the bank strip you off. So I paid the fee to convert the money. I paid the fee to send it. I waited 4 days. Guess what happened? The place I sent it to, that bank account was closed. So they sent me back the funds, and it was US funds. So they said that they had to convert it back, and I got charged on both ends, back to Canadian. And it's like, why couldn't I just keep my US funds? But they said they had to convert it back and charge me. So it's like, I got charged twice for a conversion and for $45 for it to go out, and it didn't even get out there. So